Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix File Explorer won't open in Windows 11. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, press Ctrl-Shift-Escape to open up Task Manager, or right-click on Windows icon and go on Task Manager. And the next step, what you need to do here on search, you just need to write Windows Explorer, and then you just need to right-click on it and then restart it. And after that, you just need to look if you can open a File Explorer or not, right? If it's still the case, if the File Explorer did not work, go on search again, and then you just need to write File Explorer Options. Press on that. Then on this new window, you need to restore defaults on General tab here, on View tab, Reset Folders, Restore Defaults, and on search, again, restore defaults, apply OK, and look if the problem persists. Another thing that can be on your taskbar, if you open it, File Explorer, and just press here to open up, sometimes the shortcut can be faulty. So what you need to do here is to open up search, you just need to write File Explorer, and then you just need to unpin it from the taskbar and pin it again and look if the problem persists. And if the problem persists, the last thing that you can do here is to open up command prompt, right click on it, run as admin. And then here, you just need to write sfc space / scan now. And you need to wait until scan process will be finished. And after scanning process is done, just restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not, but hopefully it should be fixed. So yeah, that's basically it. If I helped you out, please press like button and subscribe for more. Take care.